What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Khadijah. Welcome to my channel. So I'm super excited about today's video because I'll be showing you guys how to install this unit, and we've never done any color like this on my channel, so this should be very interesting. Overall, I really do love this unit. I'm not even gonna lie to you. The texture, the color, everything about this unit is screaming luxury, and I just love it, and everything about it is just amazing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, now is the time to do so. Go ahead and subscribe, and then you check out the video. And until next time, I will see you guys in another video. So this is the wig we're working with today. It is a 13x4 24-inch silver gray HD lace wig. The unit comes pre-plucked, ready to be installed. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other wigs from Hedy here, the website is in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is our wig for today. It is literally so pretty and I just love it. This is it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the install. So we also received a wig cap, some eyelashes, and a strap for our wig. So I won't be wearing a wig cap for this install. I'm just going to go ahead and put my wig grip strap on, and then we install our unit. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put some foundation on my lace, and then we install our unit. But this is what the wig is looking like without foundation. I'm just gonna go ahead, put some foundation on my lace, and then we install our unit. So this is what our lace is looking like now that we added some foundation. Just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. So this is a wig now that we put it on. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my unit. Today I'll be using my Ebin Wonder Lace Bond glue to install my wig. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. So I just glued my wig. I'm just gonna cut the excess lace off before tying it down. What it's looking like. Just gonna go ahead, cut the excess lace off, and then we tie this down. Again, this wig is from Hedy here. This is their 24-inch 13x4 silver gray HD lace wig. This is what it's looking like. Just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. I just finished cutting the excess lace off. I did go ahead and use my olive oil wig grip spray to just spray the hairline again. This is what it's looking like. Again, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Alright guys, so I'm gonna apply some of my Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. This is actually my second time using this and I love how it makes my wigs look super shiny. So this is what we're working with today. Just gonna apply a little bit because it's super thick. Honestly, it works so good. It makes my wigs look super hydrated. We're about to apply a little bit of wig. It is super lightweight. It smells super good and I love it. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but I love it. So this is it. This is what it's looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my unit. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Super full, super silky, super soft. This is it. I tried to keep it as natural as possible. I love how this turned out. The texture is amazing, not frizzy, it's not falling out, and I just love that about this unit. This is what it's looking like. Super soft. Once again, today we're featuring Hedy here, and this is their 24-inch 13x4 silver grayish HD lace wig. This is what it's looking like. This is the finished look. This is it. I totally love this color on me. I don't know, it's just super cute. I've never done anything like this on my channel and I am super impressed with the way it turned out. I love the unit. It comes fully customized. It is super soft, super silky. This is what it's looking like. Super cute. If you want to get this unit, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Hedy here, their website is in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is the finished look, y'all, and I love it. This is it. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.